Feel the vibe.
I'm with Gabagat Game 7.
I'm meeting you there in 3,
2,
1.
So, I'm in the playground with my friend Got Game 7. So, there's a
Now
bike.
here in the playground.
Please.
So here's Clarence. Doing the shaking. So we're in the monkey bars. I'm gonna show you.
I have to clean my lens. There. Sweet. Here's the slide. Drop. Hit the post. Lots of Poke cards. Hey, Gab, lots of Poke cards.
Dude, there's some Poke cards in Pokemon cards in the trash can.
What the shit?
Oh crap.
So,
This is
we
jackpot right here. So
That's
we're
Tonton's Poke cards.
gonna go swing for you
Yes.
guys. Here's CCDC 21 Gaming.
Gab got Game 7.
Guys, you can see right there the swimming pool.
Yes.
With the swimming pool. I'm gonna do video that 1 week after this video. It's kind
Wait.
of nice here at the playground because at the afternoon it's quiet.
Yes. There is a CR.
There's the CR right there. And the tennis court behind
Yes.
us. And the basketball court there. It will be covered for next time.
Yes.
At our back, the tennis court. And there's a food store right there.
Yes.
We always go here at the afternoon, me and Clarence. So, yeah.
So, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoy. Bye.
Where are you?